Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session we are going to revise decimal numbers, binary numbers and two examples of each converting decimals to binary and vice versa, that is converting binary to decimals. So without a further ado, let us start the video. First of all, decimal numbers. If a number consists of digits ranging from 0 to 1, ranging from 0 to 9, then that number is called as decimal number. So remember this, the base of this number system is 10. Base is written at the bottom. Okay, what they have told that the digits of the number should range from 0 to 9 and the base should be 10. Now observe these numbers 8 and 7. These digits are from 0 to 9, correct, and the base is written at the bottom, it is 10. That is why this number is a decimal number. Next one, 9, 9. These digits range from 0 to 9. Okay, and the base is 10. That is why this number is also decimal number. Next example is 68. 6 and 8. These numbers belongs to 0 to 9 numbers, and that is why this is decimal number and the base is 10 here. Now what are binary numbers? If a number consists of only a combination of zeros and ones, remember, in a number if only zeros and ones are there and also the base of number system is 2, then the number is called as binary number. See the examples, 1 1 0. The numbers are only a combination of zeros and ones, 0 1 1 c, and the base is 2, that is why the number is binary number. 1 0 1 0 1, these digits range from 0 and 1, that is why it is binary number and base is 2. Here also base is 2 and numbers are from zeros, the numbers are only zeros and ones, so that is why this is also a binary number. Dear students, now let us revise two examples of converting decimal numbers into binary numbers. First of all, let us see how does a decimal number look like. See 316. These digits range from 0 to 9 and also at the bottom I have written 10. It means that the number is a decimal number. What we have to do? We have to convert the number into binary system. So for converting decimals into binary, the procedure is this. You have to continuously divide the number by 2 and you have to count the remainders from bottom to top. So let's start the procedure. 316 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, but 3 is here, that is why 1 is the carry. Now 1 becomes 11, but in 2's table 11 is not there, but 10 is there. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 is the carry. 2 8s are 16. So 158, 158 is the division and 0 is the remainder. Divide this 158 by 2. What is the division? C. 2 7s are 14, but 15 is here. So that is why 1 is the carry. 1 8 becomes 18. Now in 2's table 18 is there, correct? 2 9s are 18. So 79 is the division and 0 is the remainder. Divide 79 by 2. 2 3s are 6, but because 7 is here, 1 should be the carry. Now 1 9 becomes 19. 2 9s are 18, but 19 is here, that is why 1 is the remainder. Divide 39 by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 1 is the carry. 2 9s are 18 and here 19 is there, that is why 1 is the carry. Divide 19 by 2. 2 9s are 18, but because 19 is here, 1 is the remainder. Divide 9 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, but 9 is here, that is why 1 is the carry. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 to the 4 and 0 is the remainder. Now divide 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and remainder is 0. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and remainder is 0. Now students, remember this, when 1 comes at the bottom, you have to stop the procedure. Okay, so I am stopping the procedure here. Count the remainders from bottom to top. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So that is why decimal number 316 has binary equivalent 100 111100. Now let's see another example, that is 1256. What you have to do? Start dividing by 2. Okay, if you are poor in division, you can use the calculator. Now see, in calculator, if you divide 157 by 2, what will be the answer? Calculator will give you the answer 78.5. 78.5. You consider only 78. When 0.5 is there, you just give it 1 as remainder. Just you can see here 78 is the division and 1 is the remainder. Like that you can do. See, 1256 divide by 2, 628, and if point is 0.5 or point and something is not coming, then remainder you can give 0. Okay, so 628 complete division, 0 remainder. 314 divided by 2, 157. Okay, complete division and 0 remainder. 78 complete division is not possible, that is why 1 is the remainder. Here also complete division is there, that is why 0 is the remainder. 19 to the 38. Okay, 1 is the remainder. See the procedure now. Okay, so that is why when 1 comes here, you have to stop the procedure and start counting the remainders from bottom to top. 1 0 0 0, sorry, 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. So this is the binary equivalent of decimal number 1256. Now let us see how to convert the binary number into decimal number. Now let us see one example of converting binary number into decimal number. See, it is a combination of zeros and ones and the base of number is 2. That is why this number is binary. What we have to do here is we have to convert this number into decimal number. So for converting binary number into decimal number, the procedure is this. See, you have to write down the numbers, the digits of numbers. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, and give some spaces in between the digits so that you can put the plus sign. So write down plus 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 plus. This is the first step. Now what you have to do is start writing the powers of 2 from right side. See, 2 to the power 0. Start with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, write down the all powers of 2 from right to left. Alright, now what you have to do? Give the equal to sign and start multiplying the power of 2 with the associate digit at bottom. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 8, plus sign as it is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 7, plus sign as it is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 6, plus sign as it is 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 and plus sign as it is 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Now 2 to the power 8, I have given the result. 2 to the power 8 is 256. It is multiplication of 2 8 times. Alright, so 1 multiplied by 256, 2 power 8 is 256, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 7. In previous video we have seen 128, plus 0 multiplied by anything is 0, and 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 is 32, plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8, 1 multiplied by 8, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 is 4, plus 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1. So calculate this. 256 ones are 256, plus 128 ones are 128, plus 0 is 0, plus 32 ones are 32, 8 ones are 8, 4 ones are 4, 0 don't consider it, and 1 multiplied by 1 is only 1. So when you add these numbers, you will get the result 429. This is the equivalent decimal of binary number 1101010101. I hope you understood this session. In case of any queries or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you.